Welcome to tutorial. In this video I will guide you how to buy Shiba Inu crypto coin. So from Binance you can buy Shiba Inu, link in description. Create your Binance account and get 10% discount on purchase. Once you create account, then click on wallet. Now click here and click on find and spot. Now click find and spot and deposit and withdraw, and new screen open. Link in description. Create account from my link and get discount on new purchase. Here you can see different currencies available: BTC, ET, HBNB. So different currencies available. So our task is Shiba Inu. So now simply search. There is a lot of currencies available. Now search Shiba Inu, and then here you can see total available in order. So we have 00. Now click on buy button. Shiba Inu. Now click on buy, deposit, withdraw and trade. So we are going to buy Shiba Inu cryptocurrency. Once you click on buy, now new pop-up screen open. Now again you need to search Shiba Inu. Now click and click Shiba Inu. So here you can see different currencies available, and that's hard to find Shiba Inu. Now type Shiba Inu. So type next step is type 50. So lowest price is $50. From $50, $15, $50, $100 and $500, and up to $5,000 you can purchase up to $5,000. So you cannot purchase more. From one purchasing you can buy up to 5,000, and maybe lowest is $50. So once you select your money and click on continue, here you can select crypto, enter amount, select payment method and confirm order. So now select how much you want to buy and click on continue and pay. I hope this tutorial helpful for you how to buy Shiba Inu. Goodbye. If you have any question, leave in comment section.